Alright, so we are moving to the second part for the details, and let's see, the board is going to be much bigger. Okay, and the board is tied to the land with a small rope here. You can see. Mm-hmm. Okay, few black shadows we can put at the bottom layers for the detailing of the trees. You can see. All right, and we can put some reflections on the water, but before that we're going to put some dots in the sky to show the moonlight and the stars in the night sky. So you can see lots of stars here. Some are bigger, some are smaller. So many stars in the sky. All right, and in the water we can put some reflections with the white outlines. You can see putting few lines and the racks. Also some colors you can see here. There's the reflections on the water of the tree. So putting the reflections with the use of the colors. All right, and for the shades of the tree you can see some reflective shades, not much clear, but this is going to do. All right, and the board we can see the opposite. All right, and again you can put some white lines along this outline. Okay, here the land is all right. We can see the few details over the land surface. Mhm. Okay, so the drawing is almost complete. Let's have a look of the overall drawings. You can see it's looking nice. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.